And breaking news coming in regard to Maharashtra, and it's Devendra Fadnavis who's set to become the Chief Minister of the state. Devendra Fadnavis has been named as BJP's legislative party leader in the party's core committee meeting. The move has brought Devendra Fadnavis a step closer to the Chief Minister's chair, with the party looking set to get its own Chief Minister after winning a resounding mandate in the assembly elections. Of course, the Saffron Party has appointed Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman and former Gujarat Chief Minister Vijay Rupani as central observers for its Maharashtra legislative party's meeting, though the party has not made any formal announcement. But what we are hearing is that Devendra Fadnavis' name has now finally been finalized for the post of the Chief Minister. And this is also coming on the heels of that very crucial meeting that took place between Eknath Shinde and Devendra Fadnavis yesterday. And now regarding the same, of course, the swearing-in ceremony that's taking place tomorrow at 5 p.m. at the Azad Maidan in Mumbai, with the Prime Minister who will be there at the swearing-in ceremony on the 5th of December. So the BJP has now, narrowed down. Of course, we have Radhika joining us to get us more on this. Radhika, get us details of no formal announcement being made, but it is Devendra Fadnavis who has now been named as BJP's legislation party leader.
That's right. No formal or official announcement. We could expect that in a few hours. But BJP core committee meeting just concluded. It was presided over by the central observers Nirmala Sitharaman and Vijay Rupani, who met the core committee members of Maharashtra as far as BJP is concerned. And Devendra Fadnavis has been selected as a legislative party head. Of course, this is the first step, as far as the choosing of legislative party head of a party is concerned. First, the core committee chooses. Now that proposal will be moved before all the MLAs, before all the newly elected MLAs, and after which, of course, this has to be validated by the set of MLAs, which is the process that will happen now. But we can quite confidently say that Devendra Fadnavis is, of course, the CM phase now. Now that BJP core committee members have approved his name, and it is just procedural for those newly elected MLAs to also sort of support this resolution of the core committee, after which, of course, his name will officially be announced as the BJP's legislative party head, which essentially means that he will be the next Chief Minister of Maharashtra. And the CM, along with deputy CMs, in most likelihood it will be Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar, will be staking claim before the governor at Raj Bhavan in the afternoon. So yes, these are procedures that need to be followed before legislative party head is appointed by the respective parties. These procedures were followed by Sena as well as NCP. Both Ajit Pawar and Eknath Shinde were chosen as the legislative party head of their respective parties. Now, of course, today the BJP core committee meeting concluding, whereby Devendra Fadnavis has been chosen as the legislative party head. Now it will be moved before the set of MLAs who will validate his name, and then, of course, he will officially be announced as the legislative party head of BJP, which essentially means that he will be the next Chief Minister of Maharashtra. So yes, finally suspend ending in Maharashtra, with the Fadnavis' name coming to the fore as the Chief Minister, but remains to be seen whether Eknath Shinde is in a position to accept. But sources telling us that Eknath Shinde has in fact accepted the post of Deputy Chief Ministership, but things will be clear about several other portfolios as well in the next few hours. But in most likelihood, discussions on plum portfolios, including home finance, will happen after the oath-taking ceremony. So CM, Deputy CMs are to be sworn in tomorrow. And then, of course, a set of ministers will also be sworn in. But who will get what is a discussion that they may keep for a later date.